Simplify. 3x minus y all on xy minus 2x plus 3y all on 2xy plus 1 on 2. You want to simplify this. Let's get on it. So for this, we have 3x minus y all over xy minus 2x plus 3y all over 2xy plus 1 on 2. This is an algebraic fraction because it contains a variable. An algebraic fraction is a fraction that contains at least a variable. I have 3x minus y all on xy minus 2x plus 3y all on 2xy plus 1 on 2. Since this fraction involves subtraction and addition, we need to find the LCM and divide through by the LCM. Now, I have the denominator here to be xy. I have the denominator to be 2xy. I have the denominator to be 2. Let's find the LCM. Now, for an algebraic fraction, to find the LCM, you don't have to find the multiples of anything. All that you have to do here is multiply all the denominators involved. But before multiplying all the denominators involved, make sure that the denominators are different from each other. In a situation where we have a denominator repeating itself somewhere, just consider 1. I have xy here, I have 2xy, I have 2. Now what can we see? I have xy, which can be found over here. I have 2, which can also be found over here. Implying that xy is a factor of this, 2 is also a factor of this. Therefore, the LCM is 2xy. So our LCM here is 2xy. Now, there's no need taking xy, 2xy, 2. We cannot say that the LCM is equal to xy, 2xy, and then 2. This is not correct because xy is already a factor of 2xy and 2 is a factor of 2xy. So the LCM happens to be 2xy. Now we have our LCM. This is an expression. For an expression, we divide through by the LCM. For an equation, we multiply through by the LCM. So our LCM here, which is 2xy. Let's start with the first part of the fraction. The first part has a denominator of xy. This goes into the LCM 2xy 2 times. How do you know that? Now, the LCM is 2xy divided by the denominator of xy. So this xy will cancel this, leaving 2. So that 2 is going to multiply the numerator of the denominator we are dealing with, 3x minus y. Our subtraction sign comes over here. The next denominator is 2xy. So the LCM of 2xy dividing the denominator 2xy, this will give us 1. So 1 multiplying 2x plus 3y. Then our plus sign comes over here. The next denominator here is 2. So the LCM, which is 2xy, dividing the denominator of 2. This will cancel this, leaving xy. So I have 1 multiplied by xy. So where the 1 is the numerator here. From here, let's expand to take out the bracket in the numerator. 2 multiplied by 3x will give us 6x. 2 multiplied by minus 1 will give us minus 2y. Minus 1 multiplied by 2x will give us minus 2x. Minus 1 multiplied by 3y will give us minus 3y. Plus 1 times xy will give us xy. There's no need to write 1xy. All over 2xy. We continue. All that is required here, we group our like terms and we simplify. So from here, I have 6x. 2x is a like term to 6x, so minus 2x minus 2y minus 3y plus xy all over 2xy. 6x minus 2x, just like saying 6 minus 2. So this will give us 4x. Minus 2y minus 3y gives us minus 5y. Then xy has no other like term, so plus xy all over 2xy. This is all that is required of us. See you on the next one. Have a great day.